Hello and welcome to the Canadian North. Okay, I found the pieces. The two here at the very end of the ship, they are the sections G that we've made in step 1. Not much will be seen under those. This area will be covered by a piece named C28 that looks like a cabin or a roof of a cabin, so nothing will be seen underneath here. The laterals, oh no, these two laterals here will be G from step 1. This here will be E19, which I think they will be very small and nothing will be seen underneath. Okay. How about these ones? The two big ones here, they will host some pair of bollards. E20 each side. E20 is 2 bollards and another E20 here, 2 bollards. So under those bollards there will be visibility. So I'd better paint now these two in yellow and live happily ever after. While I'm at it, I might make a touch-up, a very small yellow touch-up on these two things here. This is the plan. Now these small guns, I think they were 4.7 inches or something like this. I installed them in the first half of the hull. You cannot see it properly. I installed them here and here and here, and I will do the same now for the other side. See how they will fit. I'm gonna zoom a bit more. Yeah, let's see. So this one, the first pair, would come somehow like this. Yeah, right in the position. The second one, the middle one, well, you see they have these peaks here and the slots here. So the guns and the peak, they have to be perfectly aligned in the holes and in the slot. Sorry. something like this, and the third one like this. So when we turn everything and we look from outside, we can see these guns. Let me zoom more. Cannot really see them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 protruding from the hull and being fixed on the inside. This is why I didn't paint these parts with the guns, because they are inside anyway, they are not visible. I guess now I have to glue them, and this is what I'm gonna do right away, not to give them time to change position. It's quite a system Trumpeter did here. Quite a system. This was not an easy kit for Trumpeter. The tumble home shape of the hull is quite something. And to fix and keep these guns in place on a curved shape like this is well, it wasn't easy. I think I should apply more glue to make sure they don't go away. Because once we close the hull, if ever these guns come out, it's gonna be impossible to put them back. It's gonna be impossible. So they have to be very well fixed, glued, now when we have the chance to do it properly. I've also installed these two sponsons. They're not quite sponsons, they're not casemates also. They I never seen this system. It was very rare in that time to have a place like this in the hull where you put the turret, the secondary turret. I had to enlarge a bit the holes here because the turret wouldn't enter inside. But anyway, I placed them, but I didn't glue them. So this is what I'm gonna do next. As you can see, for the front of the ship, for the prow, here I had to use these quick grips I have, because the hull won't close no matter what you do. So I applied that pressure, apply more adhesive, and we'll see what happens. Have to leave it like this at least a couple of minutes. Well, you cannot see too much from this angle, but basically step 2 is finished now. What can I say? It's a bit challenging, the stern part, a bit challenging putting together the hull and matching the guns with those holes in the hull. Nothing was easy about these two steps, 1 and 2, but here we are.